Hi, I'm Mr. Anthony, an economic super tutor as featured on the Straits Times and BBC. Let's learn about the impact of an appreciation of the domestic currency. An appreciation of the domestic currency makes it costly for foreign investors to invest in the country. If foreign investments fall as a result of appreciation, there may be a fall in productive capacity in the long run. The aggregate supply curve shifts left, hindering potential economic growth and development. Future standard of living may also fall. However, at the same time, appreciation of the currency may boost investors' confidence on the economy, thus attracting more investment. Hence, the long-term growth and development will depend on how strong is the level of confidence of the investors. If the investors are confident that the appreciation of the currency can bring them much higher returns than the cost of investment, then they will continue to invest and thus leading to higher economic growth. Also, an appreciation of the domestic currency may spark off speculation, which can highly destabilize the economy.